and whether or not, if my memory serves me correct, I believe I might have run the gas out of it, and I believe I might have put a gas can inside over here so that I could put gas in it when I got back. I will say I'm very happy with the way everything is here. It seems like everything survived the winter pretty well. Doesn't seem like anyone broke in and bothered anything, vandalized, anything like that. Ain't much, but it might be enough to get her started. Well, this is pretty much very cold crank. Hadn't been cranked since, let's see, we left November. Is that right? No, September, October. It would have been October, November, December, January. A couple months anyway, maybe 3. I don't know. I flunked math, so I can't say for sure. Trailer ball on this one. I can deal with that when we get it around the house, I guess. Might be good here. Kind of just occurred to me, since Honey Baby hadn't left yet, I could just put the trailer ball on the Prius, pull that out with it. That way, yeah, I was thinking, going down the hill with the boat and that John Deere, it might just drag me down the hill. I'll think and move.